Hey there, Etsy sellers. Yesterday, Etsy released some new updates for EU's GPSR regulations, which stands for General Product Safety Regulations. And I'm very excited to check this out. I haven't looked into it yet, but they did say that some updates were coming at the end of February, and it looks like they're here. So let's take a look at the new changes together. So here I am in the eRank Etsy shop, and I've got a shop advisor announcement saying that you can now choose not to sell your listings to buyers in regions where the general product safety regulation currently applies. So I'm going to click learn more because I'm very excited about this. So let's see. So it looks like the link brings us to Etsy's GPSR article, which shows an update for yesterday. So let's see. Updates as of February 2025. Perfect. You can now easily opt out of sales to areas requiring GPSR compliance from Shop Manager. That's amazing. And coming soon, we're working to provide you with trusted, vetted, authorized representative service providers to help meet GPSR requirements. So one of the requirements of these regulations is that your shop and you as a business have an authorized representative within the EU who can help navigate any potential issues that come up, such as lawsuits or making sure that you're following the rules and your shop and your products are all fully compliant. And this is definitely a big hurdle for a lot of sellers. So it's great that they're working on that. So let's see in our shop how we can navigate any new things. Oh, here we go. So if we go to settings and we click options from our Etsy shop manager and we scroll down, it looks like we have choose how you sell to GPSR states. And you can choose between physical and digital items, which is amazing. So it doesn't look like you're going to have to go in and edit your shipping profiles. It looks like this is a standalone setting that you can choose straight from your options page. So it looks like it's right between automatic listing translation and offer a gift note. So I'm very excited about this. So that's awesome. So if you are concerned about selling physical or digital items to the EU or Northern Ireland, then this is a great way for you to just go in and change those settings real quick. And awesome. We'll keep you updated if we learn anything new. But for now, this is a great, awesome update that Etsy's provided for the sellers. And we hope that you're able to implement any changes you need to make to your own shop. Hope you have a great day.